Hi everyone, my name is Pem. Welcome to the second video of setting up our environment for Android hacking. If you have not watched the first video, please watch it first. In this video, we're going to talk about Genymotion and how to install apps on the Android emulator using ADB, as well as configuring our proxy for intercepting traffic in our mobile apps. Let's start by downloading Genymotion for our machine from the official page. Switch to the download folder and make the downloaded file executable, and then run it from there. It's going to be installed in a few minutes. Go to the install location and run the app. You can as well run it from applications section. It's going to start a window as shown. I already installed mine before, so if it is the first time for you, then be sure to register for free before you continue. The next thing we're going to do is to install Android phone emulator. There are a number of Android APIs available from 19 to 29. Let's install the one for Android 8 Google Nexus 6. You can install whichever you want, give it some few minutes to finish, and then start the device. Now, once this is up, we need to confirm that we can communicate with the device using ADB. We can do this by running ADB devices command to check the Android devices we are connected to. As you can see, we can confirm we are connected to one and that we've just started. The first thing to do when you start the phone is to install Google Play Store so that it can allow us to install apps from it. As you can see, there is no install Play Store. So we are going to do this by opening Open Jabs tab and then click to accept and install. Gonna take a few seconds or minutes depending on your network speed. And after the download is complete, it's gonna ask us to restart the phone. Be sure to restart, and then you can now see we have Google Play Store on our phone. Before we proceed, we'll have to install a browser in the phone so that we can be able to download and install the BAP proxy certificate, as you will see in a few minutes. Let's use the Google App Store to do that. Of course, as usual, you're going to sign into Google so that you can install apps from it. Let's download and install Chrome. Now, let's configure our phone so that we can be able to intercept some traffic using the most popular proxy app. That is, of course, Bapsuit. Click and hold the Wi-Fi icon until a window opens up. Long press on the Wi-Fi again until a small screen pops up, then choose Advanced Options. Click on the downward arrow and choose Manual. The following window opens up. Now we need to find the IP to the proxy app in our local machine. Let's open BAP. Go to the proxy and then Options. I'm showing you the easiest way to do that, but we can actually get our IP from terminal by running ifconfig command. As you can see, we currently have home IP configured. Let us change to the IP connecting to our virtual network. Click Add. There are three options, but actually two for us. Let's pick the last one, specific address. My IP on the virtual network is one ending with 111.1 for me. The bind port should be set to 8080 as usual. Then click OK. Now, uncheck the local IP option. Let's go back to our phone. We need to put same proxy IP as the proxy hostname. Same IP again, 8080 as proxy port. Click Save. Now, we need to download a proxy certificate and install it in our phone, just like we do on desktop proxy setups. Go to Chrome browser we had installed earlier and type http://BAP. Bapsuit window will appear. Click on Set a Certificate button to download the certificate. We now need to install the certificate in our phone. Go to the settings and search for certificates. Click Install Certificate. Notice that we can't install the certificate from here. The file is inactive. What are we gonna do? We need to do a few tricks here. Go back to the browser, downloads, and rename the file extension to .cer instead of .der. Click OK. Go back to settings and install the certificate from internal unknown storage. then downloads. You will be prompted for a security pattern or pin. Put pin or pattern, then you can name the certificate BAP or any name of your choice. Then click OK. We are done. Now it's time to get some traffic using BAP. Let's Google any word, and as you can see, the traffic is captured on BAP, but actually lagging and going the request going around on Chrome. So let's forward it, and congratulations, the proxy setup is complete. As you can see on Chrome, that we get a reply back from Google. So now that our lab is completely set up with the basic tools, the next video we're going to do will be about Android vulnerabilities and how to exploit them, as well as preventing them. So keep in touch by subscribing. Bye for now. See you in the next video.